Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Priyanka Nimala. I make videos on automation and productivity. So today, if you are a coach or a course creator selling your courses online and you wish to launch your product online soon, you might want to start an email newsletter where your audience, whether they are interested or not, or how many people want to join your course, all these kind of things. It's kind of a wait list. You can send them to a wait list so that you know how many people are interested in buying your product before you launch your product. So let's see how we can do that using automations. So now we are using two tools. That's one is GHL, which is Go High Level, and the other one is Pabbly. And yes, we will integrate GHL and Pabbly, and we will also need a Google Sheet so that these two tools talk to each other. So let's see how this can be done. Okay, so if you can see my screen, I'm now on GHL automation. Okay, so here, uh, this flow is very simple. Okay, as you can see that I have a form when people enter their details. I'll also show you the form, how it looks like. It's just a simple form which I have, uh, it's again from the GHL itself. Okay, so when people fill that form, okay, so form submitted, I have chose the trigger as when that form is submitted. The form is waitlist automation, social media automation. Okay, so this is already saved, and the webhook, I have used a webhook. Okay, and the method is post, and this is the URL that we get from the Pabbly. I'll just show you in a second. Okay, so as you can see that this is my Pabbly Connect. So this is the URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect to my GHL automation. So now what we're gonna do is that once someone fills that form using these webhooks uh, from GHL, it pulls the data, and from GHL it pulls the data and gives it to the Pabbly. So once Pabbly captures that data, we again have the action, which is Google Sheets. So once Pabbly pulls that data from the GHL, it appends the values to our Google Sheets, which is this. Okay, so here I have a full name, phone number, email, and the number of list. And once this, the number of list I have given as 1. So whenever an email or contact is added, it adds as 1 as a single digit. And then it adds to a total, that's the sum at the end of the sheet. So here I have tested with 3 values. So that's the value is 3 here. And now we will again have a final report. So this is just for the test purpose. So you can have much more better than this. So you can add colors and then change the layout of the Google document so that, that looks appealing for you. So for the test purpose, I'm not adding anything here. So it's just the values that we get from this sheet. That's the sum at the end of the list to here, so that we don't have to look for the email IDs or whatsoever. If we want to just look for the wait list, how many members are interested in our product, we just have to look at this sheet. So we have appended the values here. So what did I do here is that I have copied Pabbly's webhook URL from this to the GHL, and then I have created two Google Sheets, which is the data that saves from the form, from the GHL form. Okay, the GHL form, when someone enters the data, that GHL pulls the data, and then from there to Pabbly, and from Pabbly, it gets added to this Google Sheet. And once the sheet fills with the data, it sums up the data, and then the final total number of waitlist will be added onto this sheet. Is that clear? Okay, so let's see. Now let's test this. I'm going to give this value. Let's say again, Priya. I'm going to give this number again. Okay. Okay, so it says thank you for joining the waitlist. Okay. Now let's see what it says. We can again save or send. It doesn't have to, my internet connection is very low. So that's the reason why okay. So once this is saved, let's see if it has pulled the data or not. Okay, as you can see, so I've just given the data. So it was 3 before, and now we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it has changed the value onto this sheet as well. Okay, so earlier it was 3 and now it's 4. So yeah, so this way you can, create your own wait list. And from here, this doesn't have to stop here. From here, you can, route the flow to, if this happens, you can give some other action or simply have an email integration or SMS integration after these steps. So I'm not going that deeper, but yeah, you can have SMS and email integrations too as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you are somebody who uses Quora a lot, or because of time constraints and you don't have time to do Quora marketing, but still you know that how efficient is Quora marketing for your business and wants to automate you. If you wish that you would automate Quora marketing and have organic leads and sales or website traffic, then I have something for you. So I have a free subscription to my Quora taskbot, which does everything for you from saving the Quora questions. You can save unlimited number of Quora questions, and you can also auto publish on your behalf. The taskbot does auto publishing the answers on your behalf, so it can publish around 50 to 100 questions in a day. So you can have that flexibility if you want to answer or publish 50 or 100 or how many you want to. Look out for the demo video which I have given the link to. So you have some idea about what this Quora taskbot is all about and how you can benefit out of it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification button. Thank you so much.